Here we are, back by the house. Probably snowed 3 or 4 inches since we left. Sunny and 34 degrees, but it's really heavy snow and a balmy 20 degrees. Say hi, kids. Say hi, kids.
Hi.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Signing out from balmy Oklahoma. No, balmy Brooksville. Here we are at the Boomerang. It's 1 o'clock and 20 degrees. We just had biscuits and gravy and big breakfast and baby breakfast. And it's still coming down steady. I don't know if you'd call that heavy snow, but it ain't light snow. It's thick. Probably snowed another 2 inches since we went in here. A lot of snow piled up. Signing out. We come down through here yesterday. Now look at it. We've got several inches on top of what was already here. The snow before the Super Bowl.
Yep, because it's 2 days till Super Bowl 45.
Much snow. Many snows. Look at all that. Getting it on. Signing off.
After being hit with the snow cyclone.
Yeah, this road here was almost clear yesterday, wasn't it? Look at all that snow piled up. It's getting deeper. Piling up on the trees. Much snow. Yeah, it looks way deeper right there, don't it? All that snow piled up. I think nobody's going to be washing their cars today. Well, better drive. Signing off. Here we are, back at home. Been gone about 2 hours and it done snowed and filled our tracks up from the last time we was here. There's Jim and baby. The car is covered.
Hey, Dad.
Yep. Well, y'all be careful. If you get too cold and your feet start hurting, or if you start coughing and you start feeling bad, come in, okay? Okay, stay right around here close where I can hear you if you have to yell, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I guess I better water the dogs. Boy, the Nissan over there's piled up. Look at that, how much snow's on top of it.
I bet the dogs do need some water.
Yep, dogs probably need some water. Signing off from balmy Brooksville.